gonna watch some silver today. Morning, everybody. Yep, bounce right off that ADMA. You gotta have really good risk management if you're trading silver. Really good risk. You can unplug that top one. What up, YouTube? How we doing? Justin, Stockfather, Albert, Mr. Co. Let everybody know that we are live. Today's officially my last day trading. I open up a Somalian daycare in Minnesota. I think that's where it was. Where was it? Minneapolis? One of the two. I posted on Instagram because I thought it was funny. Minnesota. Switched over from Jay Dunn. I don't know. I think this live's a little better. You'll find out. Yeah, most I'm going to stick around probably an hour today. Again, it's FOMC minutes. I got a lot of shit that I have to do today. Go buy some tax write-offs before the end of the year. I saw like, maybe it is the governor. Hold on. Governor of, oh wait, Minneapolis. No, it was somebody in that state had like a net worth of 400,000 like 10 years ago, and now is like worth a bunch of millions because of it. I always go with Trade-Evade. I like Trade-Evade. And if you're going to use Apex, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. 90% off right now. Gives you the best possible discount. That's that link. Actually, I'll just do this. Get funded. Use code Brandon. Boom. Well, my whole basement's a tax write-off, so I'm going to go buy a bunch of shit for it. Silver actually looks really good today. Yeah, I got gold pulled up. We'll see. See if we get any key levels. Let's go, Derek. Heard when you use code Brandon, you pass easier. You get funded. You get payouts. Every other code, you'll blow your account. Keep sniffing when I sniff.
Really?
Yeah.
Are we sick?
I hope not. Did you see Jay Dunn, bro?
Yeah.
I don't know. That's crazy. Yeah, Jay Dunn's codes are ass. Huh? He said Jay Dunn's codes are ass. When you use code JDUN, you blow accounts. Use code Brandon or GD's code on Apex as well. You pass and make money. You need to get that fixed, bud.
They didn't have
Gino.
investments.
I guess. Get the trade evates pulled up. And real quick, if you guys could, everybody in the YouTube, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 80 people in here and only 13 likes. Again, I live trade every single day for completely free. All you guys got to do is hit that like button. That's all I ask of you. As this shit keep popping up. All right, trade safe, trade smart. Let's get this bag. We literally bounced my demand yesterday perfectly too. I just wasn't here. It was the exact bottom yesterday. There's not a lot of people in the Zoom today.
Is it not a lot?
No, not at all. Maybe.
Wait,
Silver.
what is that? That's 901?
Oh, that's the mini. Whoops. They forgot about us, GD.
What's that?
They just forgot about us. Everybody. It's all right. How's everybody doing in the YouTube? Money Crew, can you copy trade, Tradeovate, and Apex accounts? Yeah, you can do it all on do it all through Tradeovate. Just copy trade through there. What's up, Tim? Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. Again, 80 of you in here and only 31 likes. Let's at least get 50, and then I'll be happy. Hopefully find a trade today. The other guy? Who do you think you are, Andrew? The other guy? I'll remember that. I use TOS. No, you might just have to close it. Close it and reopen. Very choppy though. If I'm trading options, usually I'm trading it off of Thinkorswim. If I'm trading futures, it's on Trade8. Damn, Google is nuking. It's actually breaking my level. We can hold that 315. Yeah, let me keep an eye on Google. Go back to 315 is what I'm looking for. I'm watching this area. 315 to like 314.7. Yeah, that's why I'm only sticking around for an hour today. Google is not looking so hot. Still no entry. It's kind of like the last area that Google would have to hold. It's at that 61.8. It was the damn thing screaming huge again. Still watching this Google. We did hold that 618 and that 8 EMA. Looks like we're probably gonna slip it. Again, real quick, YouTube, if you guys could hit that like button. We got 112 of you in here and only 43 likes. So take 2 seconds, find that like button and click it. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded, TPT, Apex, Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon. Currently, Apex is 90% off. The 50K accounts are only 20 bucks. So if you want to get funded, again, TPT, Tradeify, Apex, make sure you use discount code Brandon in all caps. I think we're going to lose this, though. Yeah, no entry on this Google, everybody. It's losing the levels.
I'll be on here shortly. Dealing with this insurance guy.
Tell him to leave. Tell him you're using the house as a daycare. Nothing on Google. Got gold touch and VWAP. No buyers at VWAPs. I don't care about that. Very choppy open. I do have a feeling today's going to be choppy in general. But we'll see. And then YouTube, if you guys got questions in the meantime, feel free to ask while we're just chilling, waiting for a setup. One day away. Here we go. One day away, Dawn. Let's get it for you. It passed. They do the rest of the drywall today, the mudding, everything else. Favorite setup, supply and demand. as my go-to. We are constantly holding the 6,900 on SPX. So if we want downside, we gotta lose it. Let's see what Bull is doing. It's at 8. I mean, it's doing the same thing that every stock that IPOs does. So, yes, I do. Sigh. I will watch silver at 74.50. I do have a demand zone there. No, I never sold the puts. Not yet, at least. It's a 30-minute demand on silver if we can get down there. Don't forget, if you guys want a tax harvest too, you have today and tomorrow to do it. Sell any of your equity that you don't want at a loss. Damn, silver's bouncing. Need like 35 more cents. What's up, MCA Brera? I think that's how you say it. As far as gold, I have no levels. I use the actual Bookmap app, not on Thinkorswim. Baidu, no. I don't think I said anything about a Baidu setup at all. It is breaking out of like a symmetrical triangle, though. GC. Finally losing that 6,900 on SPX. Yeah, honestly, I'm just going to watch the silver level. It's really the only thing that I like. Plus, it lines up with VWAP if it can do it fast. Just doesn't have all the features that the regular Bookmap app has. Plus, it's not as like the UI isn't that great on Thinkorswim. Come on, give me demand. Google already invalidated the setup that I would look for. So I don't even care what it does now. I'll see. Yeah, I don't even care about it. Invalidated the setup. Again, everybody, I'm watching silver at 74.50 for a potential bounce. Nope, no trades yet. Yes, it's bouncing off that pre-market low. Yeah, if I'm going to trade silver micros, I just have to do it on my personal. Those prop firms don't allow you to. Yeah, Marcus Nugent. What's up?
Nothing. Guy goes, where's your fire extinguisher? I'm like, I don't know.
Who has a fire extinguisher in their house?
And I was like, what?
Out of all the houses that I've been in, and family and my houses, never.
It's like, it's here somewhere. It's just probably underneath all the jobs. It's like, okay. No idea what it's not there.
Can I get that guy's phone number real quick? Why the f-
Google probably looks pretty good.
Listen, I bought 2 brand new houses, and if they don't have a fire extinguisher in there, then they're not needed. They should have gave me one on closing date if it was mandatory. For real. I have no idea why we just pumped. What is that? 15 points on ES? 13? Weird. Still no trades for me, though. Listen, Don, they didn't give me one on either of the houses. Must not be that mandatory. Unless they want my house to burn down, one of the two. Yes, I do have mentorship. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, BrandonTrades, we can talk about it. But just shoot me a DM over there. Again, BrandonTrades on Instagram. We'll talk. Again, if you guys could, while we're chilling, make sure to hit that like button. Got 115 of you in here and only 55 likes, so a little less than half of you have hit that like button. And again, if you use Apex, Tradeify, or TPT, and you're looking to get funded, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps for the best possible discount. So again, TPT, Apex, Tradeify, make sure you use code Brandon in all caps. What? What? Pull back into 69.51. I'll be interested for longs. Really hoping that silver would hit demand. Mm-hmm. 69.50 to 69.51. 52, give or take. Come on, a little more.
What are you looking for?
Pull back.
Oh, that's fine.
C. ES. Don't bounce early. Come on, pull back right here. Give me 52. Everybody chilling in the YouTube so far? We all vibing. We got 130 of you in here. We all doing good. Chilling, waiting. Get a good setup. I don't think we're going to get that pullback, everybody. Marcus said.
Two pinnables above this pre-market high retest. Finally break down the pre-market range yesterday. We didn't break out early at all.
I definitely like an uptrend entry, I'll tell you that. Anybody got questions while we're chilling? Be interested in that pre-market pullback as well, GD. Let's hope silver can hit the demand now. How useful is Bookmap? Very useful. I've been using it every single day for 3 years. Their 60% off does expire soon, so like if any of you are looking to get Bookmap, 60% off until I think tomorrow, actually. So here's a link for Bookmap if you want to check it out. I use CME Global, or sorry, Global Plus with CME data is what I use. But 60% off right now, which they very rarely ever run discounts. So that's probably the last one for a while. Yep, 74.50 looks really good. Currently rejecting off of yesterday's highs.
Continuation.
Never say never, buddy. Yeah. There you go. We closed 2 points above. Did you take any trades yet?
No.
Nice. It sucks. FOMC minutes price action is typically ass. Should we just full port some silver? One long, one short. I'm down. Dumpy, dumpy, dumpy.
Yes,
Yeah, I just drew it. I want to see if we can dip down a little closer to like 53 to 52. Hopefully if they don't buy it up here. Come on. The way that I plot supply and demand, it's impossible to make an indicator out of it. Trust me, I've already tried everything. There's supply and demand indicators out there, but they don't plot them the same way that I do. Very hard. I don't know. I kind of like the longs, but I don't like that last 5-minute candle.
Yesterday and today, just can't seem to break out of this free market range. Stuck.
Maybe we're about to go hit the silver level. We're going to look for a long on ES. It's in this area. We just need confirmation. On ES? Be 2 points. We do have some buyers here, so I want to see if they buy it up. Starting to take out those buyers. Still no entry. NQ's hitting the 50% retracement. I'm watching them both. I'm watching both ES and NQ. This damn silver doesn't want to go to that demand. It's being a prick. Let's go hit it. I'm gonna try some of these MNQ longs, everyone. I'll stop below 22. So risking like, damn, it's already dropping 13 points. Lose VWAP, I'll get out. But Feel like with this NQ, if we're gonna catch an uptrend entry, it's like this is the spot. But we're already breaking below, or we're about to break below. If you want a better entry, it's here. But gotta pop back up above that 33. What?
It was MNQ and I did 10 on 2 accounts and I did 7 keys. Go.
Get above that 33 again. Yeah, I'm out. I'm stopped out, everyone. Tried to bounce. Felt like if we were going to try to bounce, it was there, but take the small loss for 17 points. Yeah, 17 points. I guess let's just watch silver now. That was the only potential uptrend I saw for NQ.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
I hate how this, the last 2 days price action good.
I mean, we caught a nice trade yesterday. But it's all right. We risked 17 points to potentially make. Let's see, what is that? Potentially 40. Or sorry. Yeah, 40. So we're risking $1 to make 2. We're likely going to start losing these fibs. But like I said, that was the highest probability area for us to bounce. We had VWAP, moving averages, big move up, 50% retracement. ES was at the 61.8. Now we're just losing. Yes, you have. Yeah, I don't know. My uptrend entry is invalid. Only other thing I see now is silver. That's it. Worst case scenario, I just take a small loss today. The risk reward was definitely there. Keep plugging this in. Plug that in. Come on, silver. Oh, good thing we followed our risk.
Crazy. It's like the same exact move we did yesterday.
Yesterday.
Market high.
Curious if we go back down to demand. We bounced it yesterday.
It says you forgot to take a picture of the serial number on the hot water heater. Not.
Can you tell him to leave you alone?
Yes. We get a candle close here. Too much to ask for.
Apparently, Tradeify is 50% off right now if anybody needs accounts. Use code Brandon, BRANDON, if you guys use Tradeify. Again, 50% off. I don't think the silver's ever, ever coming to our level. It's being stubborn. Yeah, like I said, I tried where I thought the potential bounce was going to be. You know, it didn't work out. Most of the time, a setup like that would work. So, you know, if it works 7, 8 times and it doesn't work one or sorry, 2 or 3 times, and you use proper risk management, you're going to be profitable. It's not, you know, rocket science. So, obviously, that was just one of the times it didn't work out. So,
This could be an entry. We don't have enough on any gaps, so good to be sure. Put your stop loss at that 5-minute high. We end up seeing some sellers here.
it is ugly, but I'll hang around for a little longer. Keep you guys company. If you guys got questions, though, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. You want to go to American Furniture with me today? Got by a couch. Take off, fool.
I already took off the whole fucking thing.
You're profitable. You don't take off.
I just did 2 accounts, dude.
You don't take off. Or you don't go to work. You're profitable. You're rich in your mind long before your bank account. So quit right now. What's my bias about the market? Like I said, I tried the only uptrend entry that I saw potential in. It broke that uptrend entry. So right now I don't see anything. So right now I just chill. Chill until we get a setup. Maybe if we get to these demands, watch that. I'm in pants. Not shorts. Pants.
GQ breaks this remarkable level. We have no fury drop.
Bro just ignored me.
Drop it like top.
Actually kind of annoyed that silver didn't go. I don't buy shares. I do options and then futures. All right. I'll be back in a second, YouTube. I'm going to turn off the camera. I'll be back. All righty. Open that back up. You like blowing accounts, Abraham? My name's Accounts.
Nice to meet you, accounts.
Keep blowing them accounts, buddy. It's like, I'll buy you an account. Go buy an account. I'll send you money.
That was such a rookie mistake.
He accidentally traded NQ instead of MNQ and lost his accounts. It's part of it. How close were you to passing? Tell the stream.
I needed 2K on a 3,000 profit target, but I did 10 thinking it was MNQ, and I did NQ, and it like went down, I think like 5 points.
Boom, gone. You learn from your mistakes. Make sure there's an M.
The biggest beeps.
My name is Indeed Accounts. This price action is gonna make me go insane. I'm gonna go buy a couch. I already bought a big ass TV, probably a dresser. Trying to find a way to write off the sauna. I don't think that's gonna go too good, so I don't know. But I have to buy the sauna. And then I think that's it. Probably a table.
Gosh, this is just
Very slow. Motion support sauna. Oh, trust me, Don. I'm gonna try. Every dollar I don't give the IRS makes me very happy. User. They don't even use it correctly, so might as well use it for myself.
Huge. Nice. Nice. That was a loud one.
I know. I just live with it at this point.
It really just doesn't make sense,
Bro, when you come to Colorado, I will have you sit here in front of my computer and it's randomly gonna fucking do it.
It just doesn't make that much sense.
I'm petting my cat right now. And it did it. It is kind of sus though, whenever you're not here, it doesn't do it.
Stop it.
Just throwing that out there.
Absolutely. You loved it. That was a good game for the Blues. Yeah, that's a good question. You know, I'll say it doesn't happen.
No. It doesn't happen after I stop trading. Bro, I'm telling you, I will literally pay for you to come to my house and record. So there's proof that I'm not clicking anything. It's kind of like when you live with a ghost, you just fucking deal with it. Drop it. Bless you. Bless you. Getting bored. Very, very bored.
Let's go to the gym.
See what questions you guys are asking on here. What do you look for in bookmap P zone? Pretty much buyers or sellers at my key level with volume and price action is essentially all I look for. Tons of videos on my YouTube on how to use bookmap. So yeah. How to buy options and futures quickly. Yes, if you go to I have Trade-of-8 videos, and then I have Thinkorswim active trader videos as well. Shorts on gold. I don't know. It's not my kind of setup. I don't use icebergs. I don't really see them too often to a point where it like does give me an edge. The stops I will, not all the time. Only when I think there's a stop run. I'll pop it up real quick. Just for buyers or sellers to come in. That's it. But probably about to hop off. This price action's ass, and I kind of want to go get everything done today. So I'm gonna hop off. Maybe if we got down to demand at like 69.34, 69.30, then I'd be interested. But again, it is FOMC. FOMC minutes. I typically hate trading FOMC minutes. So yeah, took the one good trade that I saw today for that potential uptrend on NQ. Obviously, it didn't work out. But, you know, it is what it is. We move on. Tomorrow's the last trading day of the year. So let's crush it tomorrow. Again, if you guys need accounts, Apex is currently 90% off. TPT is currently 40% off with no activation fee. And then Tradeify is 50% off. So use code Brandon in all caps, BRANDON on Apex, Tradeify.